Counselor Jones here, and today I am going to show you how to make a gratitude jar. So first, let's talk about all the materials that we are going to use. First, we need a jar. I will be using a glass jar because I am an adult. Friends, if you use something that's a glass jar, please make sure you have an adult there with you, or you can draw a picture, or you can use something that's plastic. Also, we're going to need some glue. Oh, I forgot to mention your name. I'm sorry, Ginger. I'm also joined by Ginger. Thank you, friend. I'm also joined by my guinea pig friend, Ginger. Thank you. Thank you, friend. We're going to need scissors. We are going to need some glue. We're not going to need Ginger at all, but Ginger is just being Ginger right now. We are also going to need construction paper. Friends, if you do not have construction paper, you can use whatever you have at home or in your classroom. I even have sticky notes because I think I'm going to use me some little stickies here. Also, I have paint. Pink is my favorite color, and I have different colors here in the container. Also, I'm probably going to use some foam letters and numbers to glue on my gratitude jar. In the book, I know it said glitter too, but Counselor Jones didn't have any glitter, so that's why I'm going to use paint. So if you have paint at home or at school, you can use paint. If you have glitter, hey, or whatever you have, you can definitely use it for your gratitude jar. So friends, let's begin.
Okay, so I have my jar, and remember, you do not have to have a jar to do this. You can use whatever you like. I'm getting my paint. I'm doing the first layer, but it was too light, so I got darker pink. Now I have double-sided tape. I didn't use glue because it wouldn't stick to my foam letters, so I decided to use some tape. And remember, this is your jar. You can do whatever you want as long as it sticks and stays. You may just have to make sure that it's going to stay reinforced by putting extra tape, extra glue, whatever you need to do to make sure your jar is the best it can be. So right now I spelled out the gratitude. I'm just missing the R for jar. So I decided to go ahead and write some things on my jar that I'm grateful for. The first thing that I am definitely grateful for is my family. So I'm going to go ahead and write my family. Another thing is my friends. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm also grateful that I can help others. Definitely counseling and lots of things. So next I get my construction paper, because if you don't want to write on your jar, you're going to get some scissors. You're going to cut up some of that construction paper. And what you can do, once you cut up your construction paper, or if you use sticky notes, you can write all the things that you are grateful for. So I'm going to cut up some paper, and I am going to write what I am thankful for. So I know I've already written my family, but I'm just going to write that again. And I'm also going to draw some stick figures for my family. Once I'm done, I'm going to put it in my jar. You can do this every day and share it with your family.